Do you ever have trouble at the campsite trying to find a perfect spot to cook from, to eat from, or to place a cup on? Maybe you looked in the camp tables and find cloth versions that are very flimsy and can just blow over in the wind. With the Trekology aluminum roll top table, we have a possible solution for that. That's next. Welcome to Backcountry Renegade. My name's Jeff. Today we are looking at the Trekology aluminum roll top camp table. They come in three different options: a small, medium, and large. Today we're going to look at those as a possible solution for us to use at a campsite that's very compact, lightweight, and easy to carry. Today we're looking at the small version of the aluminum roll top table. Now, why did I go with the small? The small version, for me, I was particularly looking for a camp table that could fit in my backpack, something that I can go on my backpacking adventures. Now, I'm moving in the lightweight category from traditional backpacking, so I wanted something that was lightweight, that didn't take up a lot of space. So I went with the small version, and you're kind of limited on space that you can use. The small version does sell for $35. You can find it on Amazon. It's made of 77 grade aluminum aerospace aluminum. It can hold up to 50 pounds of weight. The bottom frame is one unit, so it's easy to not have to mess with a bunch of different pieces. Now it does come in this nice lightweight case, which is very handy. It holds its two pieces, and there's only two pieces, so that's a nice thing about it. The first one is you have your frame. So you want to take off the frame, and it's kind of like an accordion. You just open it up, and when you open it up, it does have these two arms. These arms have little holes that will mount into pegs, so you just want to fold those in like this, like so. And then they snap in place, and now it's real durable. It's not going to collapse or anything on itself. So once you put that here, you have that. And then you get out the aluminum roll top. Now the aluminum roll top looks like this. It just expands very nicely. Now inside, you do have these little metal grooves. And on those metal grooves, they're going to just snap in place right there. And so now you have a nice sturdy camp top table. The thing that I like about this is if you're in a chair, it's a great size. So if you wanted to cook on and place things on, it's very durable. Now to move it, it's also very nice because it's locked in place. All you do is pick it up by the base, and you can move it as one unit. You don't want to really pick it up by the top. You could if you like, but if you're holding other things, like in the middle, you can see how it droops a little bit. That's because the bungee's here. So it's more durable by picking it up from the frame. So as you can see, the setup is pretty easy. As far as the dimensions you can see right here at the bottom of your screen about how tall and wide it is there. Now some of the pros: instead of having that flimsy cloth table that can just blow over in the wind, you have a nice sturdy roll top table that is made of aluminum. So it's lightweight, but it can hold up to 50 pounds. Let's say you want to put some things on it, you want to cook, you can bring out your camp stove. That sets up nicely. If I wanted to do some study, and I have my battery pack, so this is a heavy-duty Jackery battery pack here that I have, holds it no problem. If I wanted to use it as a personal space to cook, or to eat, or to set a cup, or to set a book, very durable. I can even use it as, let's say I bring my computer stand or something, I can use it to hold my laptop or something. So very nice. If you want to go with something that has a little more room, you can use the large, you can use the medium, but with that you do get the cost of extra bulk, extra weight. And again, I was looking for something for the backpack, not the traditional campsite, so that's what I went with. Now some of the cons about this: it is kind of bulky. So if you put it in the bag and you put it together and you're using it for going into lightweight or maybe even ultra lightweight backpacking, it's going to be pretty bulky. And as a result, you know, if you're a lightweight or ultralight, every gram counts. So it does have a little bit of bulk to it. It will take up room in your backpack. It's definitely a luxury item. It's not a necessity. If you're a backpacker, that's something you do need to consider. Now, if you're just using it for your traditional campsite, maybe even for your overlanding adventures, this is a great, easy, compact way when you're not too concerned about weight or bulkiness for storage. Another con about it is at a fixed height. So because we got the small version, it is shorter. It's good for if you're sitting in a chair, but above that, it's not really good if you're standing or anything else. What you see is what you get. Very simple, yet affordable option. At only $35 for what it provides, I'm pretty happy with how stable and easy to store it is. So what did you think of the Trekology camp table? Is this something you'd take backpacking with you? If not, would you go with it for your overlanding adventures or just basic traditional camping? Would you go with the small, medium, or large? Leave me a comment in the comments section. If you like what you saw, found it helpful, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching.